Adding pictures in Microsoft Word is a fairly straightforward process. So if you just open up the program, you should be on the home page. From here, we want to navigate to the third option, which says Insert. If we click on it, we get these options right here. So the thing we are looking for are the pictures. So under Insert Pictures, if we just press on it, we'll get a few different types of options, either from this device, from stock images, or online pictures. So it depends on what you want, but I'm going to showcase it from or uploading pictures from your own device. So just click on here and you will be navigated to this option right here, where you can just go through your PC and find the different images. So let's say I want to upload this image, for example. As you can see, now this image has been inserted and we can rotate it, do all kinds of different stuff with it, and basically just match it to your needs. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.